AI is taking over. Your job? Gone. Your boss? A robot. And guess what? They don't vote. Stick around. I'm exposing why the government's asleep and what this means for you in 10 years. Picture this. You're at your desk, sipping coffee, and bam, replaced by a chatbot. AI's booming. It's coding, flipping burgers, drawing better than me. But while it steals jobs, governments watch Netflix. Shouldn't they stop it? Let's break it down. Robots were cute, like Roomba. Now they're co-workers. Companies love AI, cheap, no lawsuits. Imagine a call center, 100 people, 70 replaced by a sassy AI. That's 70 families stressed. Why not a rule? For 100 employees, only ditch 30 for AI? Fair, right? But nope. Governments argue over parking spots. Citizens, we hear you, but AI cash keeps us shiny. Big tech pays, governments profit from robot factories. They fear looking anti-progress. My pitch, cap AI at 30 bots per 100 workers. Or are they waiting for President Chatbot? 3,000. Zero scandals, all circuits. AI gets no voter ID, no say on taxes. Yet it's deciding our fate. If my barista job's a robot arm, why vote for a government that won't protect me? Maybe robots secretly vote. Beat boop, oil subsidies. Nah, if AI wins, we're cheering for machine lovers. In 10 years, AI's everywhere. Self-driving trucks kill trucking. AI doctors end med school. Jobs shrink 20 to 30%. Millions jobless. Positives? Free time if you're rich. Negatives? Stress, poverty, holographic dog therapists. Consequences? Riots, inequality, me begging an AI for a loan it denies in binary. We need caps and retraining now, or we're toast. What's your take? Doomed or fighting back? Smash like if AI scares you, comment, save my job. And subscribe. I'm dropping truth bombs weekly. Let's make the government hear us before robots tax us. See you next time.